How do I set up my Dalton clutch kit? Read the instructions. The end. All right, kidding around here, but simple truth is, that's the answer. So a lot of times before someone orders a clutch kit, or while it's on the way to them, I'll get an email that says, hey, how do I know how to set up my Dalton clutch kit? Well, like I said, simple answer is it comes with instructions. Unfortunately, it appears a lot of kits out there don't have any instructions. I used to say you get a tackle box full of screws, washers, etc., and you're like a hog looking at a wristwatch trying to figure it out. Well, Dalton, in my opinion, is the easiest adjustable clutch kit to set up. I don't think I've ever spent over 15 minutes personally on one ever. And so the cool part is Dalton comes with some written instructions. All right, first page is contents. There's going to be some rivets here that it talks about that go and end up you don't even have a use for. It's something if we ever needed to do something modified, you would have them, but it gives you a list of contents. So I would suggest, I always tell people, is get your instructions. Don't wait till you're out there doing it at night or whatever, you're in a recliner like me. Just read these instructions front to rear. There's good information in there. There's general clutching knowledge. Talks about once you get it set up, checking it for shift phase RPM, and if it's not clear here, go to Hunterworks site, find the clutch kit, click install videos. There's one on shift phase RPM to give you a better understanding of that. While we're talking about that, you don't have to only rely on the instructions. Once again, when you click on the kit or the start fresh system, whatever it is you bought that has a Dalton in it, you click install videos, and there's going to be a series of videos there to assist you in the process. All right, but far as the main question, how do I know how to set it up? Very simple. So we scroll over. So I say scroll, good Lord, like I'm at a computer. All right, there we go. Setup guide. This is a Razor 1000 XP4 15 model. Goes by tire size first, down through here's tire size. And it says stock tires, stock machine, 0 to 3,000 feet elevation. If that's you, the next line says take your base weight, install a 1.8 gram rivet, and put in 3 long set screws. Now, we do offer the rivet install service here. Don't forget that. If you want to buy a kit or anything and you want us to mash the chip rivet in, then find it on the website on your vehicle page, install service. Along with it, we'll do that part. But you mash it in, and of course we'll not rehash how to do it, but you put the one in, it says, and I always put my flyweights in my primary clutch, then I screw the set screws in it so the clutch can hold it. And this says 3 long set screws and use C3 Helix ramp. Now, pretty much this is limited to, if I ain't mistaken, just 15 model 900s and 1000. The Dalton Helix has 2 different angles for different applications, sand, elevation, etc. And so there's an X on the back of your secondary clutch. And as you scroll through this one, it's correct, C3, C4. So when it tells you in the setup, it says use C3 Helix ramp. Where is C3? There's old C3. I'm dropping it in my clutch. There's the X on the secondary. Drop it in, put your 4 screws in, okay? Now, just so you know a little bit more about the setup sheet, you drop on down here. It says for some lighter 28-inch tires, you might want to use 2.4 gram rivet. Get on down, 3,500 to 5,000 feet, aluminum rivet and 2 long set screws. 3,500 to 5,000, aluminum rivet, 2 long set screws, use Helix ramp C4. 5,000 feet and above, base weight, no rivet whatsoever. Start with 2 set screws and use Helix C4 and test RPM. Once again, that's covered in the instructions. I hated to make a video even this long to answer a very simple question. How do you know how to set up your Dalton clutch kit? Once again, it's like we joked around in the beginning. Read your instructions. And FYI, people ask me, well, I've got it set up this way, and this way. What do you think? I have about 30, 40 kits here, and I do not remember setup. So my answer will always be Dalton is almost always right for everybody on their setups, and you may have to adjust with a set screw up or down one at times by simply doing the shift phase RPM check described here and our video, and see if you got your shift phase RPM right. And also there are times that we adjust out of the instructions for special applications, and that'll be something you and I discuss. So hopefully we answered a very simple question. Read your freaking instructions. Don't forget, Hunterworks belts, best on the planet. Get you one while you're getting your best on the planet clutch kit, and hopefully best on the planet primary clutch. Also, try to start remembering this. Check out our other YouTube channel, Hunterworks Outdoors. You get to see little projects Hunter and I do over at our farm if that interests you. Appreciate you very much.